are with Tony.
Minimal in terms of any type of discomfort or anything. And it was a lot of fun watching it grow in, and there's really no reason at all to be scared of it. It's exactly like the videos. Thank God I found this place. Nobody ever noticed anything. I actually started Googling around celebrity transplants and pretty quickly stumbled upon you, got to the website, and then watched 200 videos. And this is something that is, going to give you confidence forever.
Man, well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
An awesome job on you again today.
I love it. It's honestly the biggest boost to your confidence. I have nothing to really fear. I go out, tie my hair up, I let it down. Pretty much happy with the result. Me to be sitting here and doing this video, I just hope that it helps out, and I hope that it helps other people.
That's the suture line right there.
People take the red eye in.
Just do it. I'm telling you, you just gotta do it. Literally worth every penny.
Congratulations, buddy. Thank you for doing the video for us.
Oh yeah, of
We
course.
really appreciate it.
This is the man. Dr. Bolton is amazing. I'm very comfortable. I've sent several of my friends and colleagues here. This guy is the one. The best surgeon in the country.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Anyways, I want to thank you for doing this video.
Thank you, Doctor.
Congratulations. How was the process for you, my friend?
It was great. It was really great.
Are you happy you did it?
Extremely happy. It changed my life. Absolutely. It's giving me confidence now. I would never go out in public without a hat.
Oh, wow.
So now I hardly wear hats anymore. So it's great. My wife's happy. Yeah, she's happy.
Happy wife, happy life. Perfect.
That's right.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you
very
very
much,
much.
buddy.
Thank you.
This is the best result I could ever see.
Are you happy with your results?
Yes, I'm super happy actually.
What does your family think about your results?
They are so happy actually for me. Nothing at all.
Nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
at all.
All right.
Yes,
All
great
right.
experience, great stuff, great people.
Awesome,
Everything is
man.
amazing. Just want to find a supernatural hairline and supernatural shape. Gonna be just Dr. Bolton, an artist, not a doctor. For me, he's an artist.
Correct. Well, thank you very much for
you.
doing this
Thank
video
you.
for us. Congratulations on the awesome
Thank you.
results.
Thank you.
And
Dr.
thanks for
Bolton.
flying in from Egypt for us.
Yes, thank you so much.